Assalamualaikum and good morning to all of us, especially to our instructor, Ma'am Zandra Amino, of this subject, which is thermodynamics. So this is a follow-up. Give an example for the current cycle. So for the first one, calculate the maximum efficiency of heat engine with operating temperature of 300 degrees Celsius and 500 degrees Celsius. So, ang gagamitin natin na equation is um, E, or the Carnot, is equal to 1 negative Tc, or temperature cold, in if you can still remember in our